This problem is white to play, and the goal is to kill the black group on the corner. There are actually multiple ways. See if you can find all the right answers. So here, these two black stones have a major weakness. Once you see this shape, you should think about the hane here, the clamp here, or the 2-2 point. The correct answer, and the easiest one, is this, right? Because it threatens to cut black off. If black doesn't play, then white will easily win a capture race against one of the black groups. So black must defend against this cutting point. If black plays here, then there won't be enough eye space on this corner to live, right? Well, look something like this. And black will be dead. If black plays here, then white will be able to connect this way, right? Otherwise, black will be cut. So black can play this, and now white plays here, threatening to connect back on the first line, like this, right? So if white connects like this, then black is dead. So black must prevent white from connecting. And now white destroys this potential eye, and black must play here. Actually, this is already a dead shape for black, right? Even if white doesn't play, black is still dead. You can see for yourself. So black is short on liberties, and the eye space is really messed up. So that's how white can kill black. Of course, there are a couple other potential answers. I'll leave it to you. One is this, the other is this. And of course, you can try those variations yourselves. You need to be careful not to play the clamp here, or at least probably that's why they came up with the question, because this way, black will be alive. But of course, even here, white can play this and start a ko. But of course, ko will not be the correct answer when there are 3 moves that can kill black. Thank you for watching.